Menteri Tnat Social Welfare ubak polling do hakasingi palai ula lom ke Jingïalang iki Rangbah Shnong ba jong kenong ba Shlong panekren Halor ke Jingeh ke bomi nau Drok ki ba Shongdi Jingdi Medan pat ki babon ki wei pat ki mat ki bakta hak ne ke Jingïalang Menteri Tnat ula tu ba ke Jingïalang kelalong ke bayat bet bat la yo banekren bon ki mat le tu ru ba hakatayo banwan kan sedon ke Jingïalang Halor ke dream ka social welfare dan ki hek sarkar Pakan tup ya Tnat kam po ying bat ka office DG ban ya selok ya bon teliki kam.
Convened in order to elicit opinion from the 10 Shnongs of West Shillong constituency on various issues confronting the constituency, including matters relating to development and also concerns regarding the drug menace. So, where developmental activities are concerned, there were issues raised concerning water, power supply, LPG connections and distribution, and road capacity, traffic. Those were issues raised, and also we discussed about the situation that has now become very rampant, which is the growth of drug users and traffickers in the constituency. So, in the presence of government officials, the various concerns were raised and addressed, and also we have agreed for an on-spot inspection of the various sites within the constituency relating to demarcation of traffic junctions and also for parking lots to be earmarked within the constituency. A new initiative will be now to coordinate better with the local Dorbars, which was one of the concerns raised at today's meeting. So in this regard, a meeting is being convened, a meeting of the state level dream mission is being convened on Tuesday next, which will be attended by officials including the DG police and senior officials of the Home Police Department, where we have identified certain gaps and missing links between the activities of the social welfare and the Home Police Department. These various concerns of the department will be highlighted at the meeting scheduled for 2 p.m. of Tuesday next.